we're going to begin the first steps of the wax where we ask the client to pull the area tight. We want to keep that skin really tight because less discomfort to the client when the skin is taut. If it's loose, might have tiny little skin tears. So she's pulling up this way and I'm going to be pulling downward, which is going to create like a three-way stretch. Okay, so you see that? Okay, so the next step is I've already powdered her with some powder right here. What that does is absorb more moisture. So now I'm going to remove the hair in the area. So we apply the wax very thin like this in the area over the hair. And as she's pulling the skin taut, I'm going to be pulling the skin taut as well. We want to keep going in the direction of the hair. What's also important is to use a different stick each time you dip into the wax pot. Very important. So I'm going to kind of go further down for her like this and even it up a little bit. This shouldn't be really, really hot on their skin. It should have a little bit of warmth, but you don't want it overly hot because you can burn them. Okay, so are you comfortable?
Yes.
Okay, good. Okay, so the next step, I'm going to remove the hair. So I'm going to pull her taut. She's going to pull up. I'm going to gently press a couple of times and tear it off in the opposite direction. So I'm going the same length as the hair, the same direction as the hair rather, and I'm going to tear in the opposite direction. So I start moving up, start moving up some more. I pull downward really tight, and that's how it's removed. I'll do a couple more areas here for you so you can see. Hold the skin taut and pull. As you can see, she's barely even getting pink. This is a very gentle wax. A lot of people love this wax, and this is by Deplavé Company. And it is the lavender wax. And it's easy to see too, people with different skin tones. If you use this lavender wax, you can see where to place it and where the hair is to be removed. She's going to pull tight, and I'm just going to remove the remaining little spots. You got it tight?
Yes.
Okay, great. And you just do the applications gently on the skin, and then you start removing. So we're going to finish up right here. I'm pulling tight, she's pulling tight. And there you have it. She was able to get through this very well. This is a very, very gentle wax, and the clients really like that versus some of the more aggressive waxes. So I'm glad you got to see this demonstration of a wax. I ordinarily tell the clients to stay out of hot water, don't go in a pool, and don't rub the area in any way, shape, or form for 24 to 48 hours after their wax, and don't work out. You give yourself 24 hours. And they can apply, if it's bothering them a little bit, some ice on the area in a clear plastic baggie and put a piece of paper towel over it. Otherwise, you can put some aloe on it, and the next day your area is going to be great.